Configuring Worldline GoPay for Magento. This video will cover the basic configuration steps for your Worldline GoPay for Magento plugin. For more information on setting up the plugin's features, refer to our official documentation. Before you start the configuration, you will need access to Magento Admin and Worldline Merchant Portal. Open Connection Settings. Go to your store's configuration panel. Open the Worldline Online Payments Connection Settings. Navigate to Stores Configuration, and then to Worldline Online Payments Connection. Next, Environment Mode and Empty Fields. The plugin runs in the test environment by default. Change the environment mode to Production to publish it live. Next, you need to retrieve the required data from the Worldline Merchant Portal such as API key and secret, Merchant ID also known as PSP ID, as well as Webhook key and secret key. Step 3. Merchant Portal. Generate API and Webhook keys. Log in to the Worldline Merchant Portal and generate API and Webhook credentials. Navigate to Developer, Payment API and select your merchant PSP ID. Click Add API key and copy the generated keys. Next, navigate to Developer Webhooks. Click Generate Webhook keys and copy the values. Please note that you can use pre-existing API or Webhook keys. But remember that you can only see the API secret and secret Webhook keys for 60 seconds when you first create them. Next step, add credentials to the plugin. Paste the credentials from the Merchant Portal into the fields and click Save Configuration. Please note that the plugin will validate credentials and save them if they are correct. Step 5. Configure Webhook URL. Automatic configuration uses the store's Webhook URLs automatically. Also, you can define up to 4 additional webhooks. The manual option requires you to add the URL in the Merchant Portal manually. By deselecting the automatic switch, you will get an option to copy your store webhook URL. For that, log in to Worldline Merchant Portal and navigate to Developer Webhooks. Click Add Webhook Endpoint and paste your store webhook URL. Finally, click Confirm. Next, Advanced Settings. You can also set various security and payment preferences directly through the plugin. From the Payment Methods, General section, configure the following: 3D Secure Authentication, 3DS Exemptions and Exemption Limit and Surcharge. From the Payment Methods, Credit Cards, iframe section, configure the settings for transactions processed via our hosted tokenization page. From the Hosted Checkout, redirect to Worldline section, configure the settings for transactions processed via our hosted checkout page. From the Redirect Payment section, configure the settings for transactions for which your customers pre-select their preferred payment method before the redirection to our hosted checkout page. Please note that in the Payment Methods section, you will also find all the payment methods supported by the Worldline Magento plugin. From the Settings and Notification section, you can configure fallback timeout values and limits, order creation on amount discrepancy and automatic refunds for out-of-stock orders. You can also set up automatic email notifications for order amount discrepancies, refused payments, refused refunds, and failed orders. The Worldline GoPay for Magento plugin also lets you do 3 things from the Magento Orders dashboard: fully or partially capture the payment for a selected order, fully or partially cancel payment authorization for a selected order, and fully or partially refund the payment for a selected order. To capture a payment, go to Invoice and modify the product quantities if you want to capture partially. Select how you want to capture the amount and click Submit Invoice. To cancel payment authorization, click the Cancel button and click OK. To refund a payment, open the Payments invoice. Click the Credit Memo button. Modify the product quantities if you want to refund partially, and then click Refund. Your configuration is now complete. If you have any issues during setup, contact us through one of our support channels.